All right, and we are live. Well, welcome everyone to the stream. How's it going? Not sure how many people will be on at night here, but we'll see. Looks like we just got a few people watching. We're just going to be continuing the intro that I was working on. I don't know if anyone here is from the stream that I did 2 days ago, maybe yesterday. I don't know. But this is what we left off with. So yeah, that's what we ended up with. I've thought of some new stuff that I want to add, and then just continuing after, like adding something after this transition, instead of it just staying on the same slide. So what I do need to figure out is what to use as a background for the third one. So I'm wondering if anyone has any ideas. So the first one's me here. The second one's a time lapse of what I'm doing. So what would a third one be? Maybe one of the effects I made? I'm not sure. So if anyone could drop some suggestions in the chat, that would be nice. But for now, let's just jump into the Fusion page here. All right. So I'm first going to come to the transform and come to the middle here. So I think I said this is kind of the middle. And then on this merge, we're going to keyframe it so it disappears. Right there. So then it'll switch to whatever is going to be next. All right. So let me find an effect that I want to use. I'm just going to browse over my channel here. Like it's what I might want the background to be. I'm thinking maybe like one of the visual effects things that I did. So maybe like when my like the hand on fire one. So that one was pretty cool. So I'm thinking maybe that one. Let's see if I just have this saved somewhere or if I'll need to go back and export it. I believe that I'll need to export it. Yeah, that's what's looking like at the moment. Okay, well that is fine. So let me just go find that project and then I can export that. Alright. This was from a little while ago. I've probably made like 100 DaVinci Resolve projects since then. This is not wanting to load. Okay. Can everyone hear me okay? Doesn't look like we have too many people. It's probably because it's kind of late. Alright, so here's a project. So I'm opening it now. So let's see if all the files are still linked. It does not look like it. Oh wait, yep. I mean, this one works. Oh, I see. It's my tutorial and stuff that's not linked because I deleted that. But the hand on fire is, so that's good. So I'm just going to go to the deliver page and export this. Alright, browse, choose a location. We don't want audio. Okay. There we go. The clip could not be oh, it's the bottom one that couldn't be. Let's just delete that. Now let's try that again. There we go. Now it is working. So yeah, I'll use this as the background and then have like, what was it that I was gonna do? I think it was my name that was gonna come up next or something. And then I want to do a bunch of overlays, do some like text accents in the background. I think that'll all be kind of cool. If I could do something like that. So let's open that. I'm going to come back to the correct project. All right, there we go. Come to the edit page. Song's kind of long. So there we go. Then the transition will be at 104. So we can hold the first frame for 139 frames. So it won't be moving until right there. Maybe not. It should start moving here. Ah, wait, no. 119 frames, I think. You know what? I don't know what I was looking at there. 103. Does the transition, then this starts. Alright, we can merge that up. And come over here, bring the blend down, and keyframe it like that so it switches. There we go. Not bad. So is the chat even working here now? Because I think someone would send a message. So if anyone can try sending a message, that would be great. Just so I at least know that it is working. Alright, it is definitely working. Alright, this live training is hard to catch up. Please make as a video. So I don't know if I'm going to be making this as a video. Just because this is a project that is going to be like for one-time use. I mean, I guess you could copy the intro if you'd like. But I think it'd be easier because I'll just have these streams public. So everything I do you can go through and watch. So it might be a little difficult to follow. But yeah. I don't think I'm going to make a video on this specific thing. Let's just render this out so we can see what it looks like with the new transition here. But thank you for sending a message. And yeah, like I said, this stream will be public after that you can go through and watch. Alright, this will just take 1 second. Oh yeah, that's what I was going to do. I was going to do every week. Okay. I thought of this before. But I forgot. So let's set this text up. We'll do every week. Use the Roboto font. That's a good font. I like that one. Roboto black. Make it big. And then I gotta think of some text animation to do for this one. I guess that kind of looks cool. Be cool if I could have it come down in like slices. I think I might do that. Let me think about this here. So if I have a rectangle and I do something like this. Yeah, that'd be kind of a cool effect. If I could get that to work right. Let's extend that. I keep moving the wrong part. Okay, let's do that. So I will just set this to default. Come into this rectangle, extend it all the way out there. Maybe move it over. And then I'll merge it up so you can see both of them. And just connect them up like that. And then this will be the final one here. There we go. I might just shift this one over. There we go. Okay, I'm liking that. So next I'm gonna disconnect these. I'll just name these, so mask 1. This one will be mask 3, mask 2. Okay. So then I'll animate one of these. So the transition happens right there. So this is going to be the first keyframe. And I'll have it in by that keyframe. So let's try that. Then I'll just copy and paste this a few times. There we go. So now if I view that one, it should all animate in. Which one isn't working though? Oh wait, I know why that's happening. Let's also have this as a mask into the merge nodes so that it will cut them off. Oh wait, I'm using the wrong mask, I believe. If we do that, I gotta figure out how to set this up. Oh wait a minute, it should be like that now. Yep, there we go. And then I'll come to the keyframes editor, select these, expose them, expand them, whatever it's called, and then offset them. Not by much, just a little bit. And I can also smooth them out here. There we go. I might actually invert this middle one here. So it starts up at the top. Yeah, that's cool. So now I just got to render this out here with the transition. There we go. Now I just need some motion blur on this, and I think that should be it for this animation. Alright. So let's just render this part out now. And then we'll see how that looks. Really like that motion blur. I think it looks pretty good. Wondering if I should add a soft edge though on the rectangles, if that would make it look any better or not. Might not. Might just make it not look as good. Okay. I like that. And then I think I'm just going to have the whole thing scaled down. But that means we need to rework this part of it. So instead of the media in coming into that one, I will merge it up down here and add in a background node that's transparent. So now it looks the same, but then I can add a transform after this. So it comes in, and then we'll just have it zoom out. That might be a little much. There, okay. I'll just ease this a lot. Something like that. Apply motion blur. Boom. And now I'll play this again. So a lot of it is just, I guess, waiting for your computer to preview it. Or my computer to preview it. So that takes a little while. So this won't be that long of a stream. I'll probably wait until there's a bunch of people active in the chat. So maybe tomorrow afternoon or at some point, we'll do another run. Yeah, this isn't usually when I will stream, so. Wondering if I should maybe use some proxies, though, just to speed everything up here. It's not usually that bad, it's just when you're streaming. That just seems to take way longer. Okay, yeah, I like that. And I'm wondering if I could just take this whole thing that I did for the last media in and connect this up and how that would look. Yeah, that one doesn't look quite as good with it. I'll have to play with that, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the stream here. I was expecting a few more viewers, but thanks for everyone that tuned in for the 20 minutes.